ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ತಡಿ ಸರ್, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ದು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ
ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋ, ಈಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತೇಳ. ಹಾ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ ನೋಡು, ನೀನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗು.
ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದು, ಅದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. Cisco Webex. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಓಕೆ. ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹಾ ಓಕೆ.
यूज मतलब नेट फास्ट हो गया
चलेगा सर। प्रशांत सर
मग बंद हा
Prashant sir. Prashant sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Yes, ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Just I will introduce. Sir, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ?
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ ಮೆನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೋಮ್ ಮೆನು, ಓಕೆ.
ಹೋಮ್ ಮೆನು ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದಾವು, ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗು, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಫೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗು, ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್, selecting and modification of comments, creation of simple drawings, layer command, information command.
ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? So very good afternoon, participants. I think from last 3 days we have exhaustive AutoCAD training. Like day one, we have learned how to install the CAD program in your desktop of 32-bit and 64-bit, and also later how to open a file or in the AutoCAD screen, and later on the second day you learned file handling commands, setting commands for CADs, drawing commands, and different drawing methods to make a line, circle, rectangle, and also drawing methods, and also selecting and modification of the commands. Once you've drawn, then I think you can modify the commands also. And later on, you're able to create a simple drawings. Okay. And also yesterday we have learned making a layers where you can objects can be created and you can make the hatch pattern. All the tools you have learned. Okay. So I think today we'll continue the CAD program layer, and then information commands, dimension commands, and whatever it is there. Our course teacher is now ready to take over the class. One instruction for all the participants. I think so many mistakes in their names for the certificates. So that's why I'm instructing all the participants, kindly send an email with your clear name and address. Along with that, kindly send your whatever the payment you made, that screenshot. So those who are not paying the fees, you won't get the certificate. Yes. So all the participants kindly write what name should be there in the certificate. Along with that, you attach your bank transaction or a screenshot of Google Pay, whatever you made. Then those will going to get the certificates. And we made now is YouTube. I think today, last 3 days video, whatever we made, day one inauguration, first day training, and second day training, the third day training, all are uploaded in our department YouTube channel. It is there. You can at any time you can visit there. You can subscribe them. Then later on, each and every step you can learn and you can utilize for your practicing. Okay. Today's also it is live streaming is there on YouTube. You can. I think I already sent in the group for the YouTube. You can access later. So now you have to concentrate on with this live practical class. Then I think in later period, any doubts are there, you go on each and every step of the minute, you can note down and you can retrieve and you can practice. Okay, once again, I request all the participants, so kindly send a mail to such that your name also should be there in the certificate, along with the whatever the amount you paid, prepay receipt. So it will enable us to process very easily, and to hassle-free will get the certificates. Okay, and whatever the questions is there, question number is there in the last 15 minutes. Keep it ready, make a note, and lastly we will conduct any doubts or there question hours. I think the now make a sufficient time for our engineer or maybe our teacher to explain that the remaining commands and to
One more thing, that information.
please share the mail ID to send your the name to send the email. Our department email is going to send through WhatsApp. So we'll share email ID. Need not to worry. We will send it through WhatsApp. For that mail, you can send your name and transaction details. That is going to helpful for us to make a certificate very easily. And also in later on, sir, mine the spelling mistake is there, sir. That should be there. So what the name should be there? What should be there in your certificate? Exact name. Even with the spelling mistakes and whatever you kindly check 1 or 2 times and you can send it back. We're going to issue the certificate.
Send to the same email.
Send to the same email. I'm going to share now. For that you can.
And the certificate will be sent to your mail.
Yeah, we will send the soft copy of the certificate to your respective mail. That's why compulsorily whatever we mail circulating your email now, just where you have to send your address, your name, and also the amount you paid, fees paid, all those things. Okay, it's clear, participants. Yeah, very good afternoon and a warm welcome to the 4th day session on CAD and landscaping. I think the rest of the things will be taken care by our Prashant. I think you learned a lot now. You may not able to do at a time. It's very easy. I think drawing components is completed and something modify also you made, even layer also made. Remaining like annotation and information commands, what you're going to do now, you can listen it. Prashant sir, you're online?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, now it's you can. I think you already share the screen. Kindly go ahead with sir. You can start your lesson presentation. Yeah, welcome, sir. You can start now.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, every participants. आज हम देखेंगे इंफॉर्मेशन कमांड्स. इंफॉर्मेशन कमांड्स get the information of drawings. Get the information of drawings. If you draw one line, click first and size take 100. Enter. Size 100. Line is get out of the screen. Please easily extend zoom out option and zoom out. Zoom out and zoom out. Display the line and 50, 100, click. Information command. First information command, DDP type. Type a DDP and enter choice point of style. Click there and OK. Just point of style, cross mark. If you insert a point, easily display point. Points, DDP type and enter pointer types, pointer style, choice you just a dot, click OK. Point is not a display. If you want display the point, change the point style, DDP type, enter. and choice this mark. Okay. Easily display point of plotting. Display plotting points. Okay. Next command, limit command. Limits command. Limits command. Your drawing limits, starting point and ending point. Set drawing limits, starting point and ending point. Easily command set limits and enter. Limits, starting point of a drawing.
सांगितलं ना सर म्हणून पैसे काढण्याचं वातावरण टाकले मी म्हणजे तुला विचारतो आमचा स्टेटमेंट द्या म्हटलं स्टेटमेंट तिने सही केली का कोण सही केली
0 and 0. Starting point of limit 0 and 0. Enter. Ending point of limit and 100. Okay. Set a limit of a drawing. Limits of drawing. You can draw drawing in 0, 0, 100, 200. Display the limit on snap mode, grid mode. Click. Easily display grids. Your setting. Limit set 0, 0 to 100, 200. Set the drawing limit. Limit command. Limit command of the grid. Just click on. Easily grid is off. Limit command. Limits. Third, units. Units command enter. Units command. Decimal points. Type of unit. Decimal point. Precision. 0. Limit. Decimal points. 4. Click and OK. Just draw the line. Click and the size 10. Line size is 10. 10 is a decimal points. 10 is a decimal points. If you change the unit, change the unit, architecture. Just click this. Okay. Change unit. Do line size 10. 10. Click line size 10. Okay. Not a change in the size, physically size, but input method is a change. Input method is a change. This line created in meter. This line created in feet. If you want input 10 feet 2 inch. If you want input 10 foot 2 inch. Then click easily and move. Move. Display 7, 10, 10. Also feet. Change and 2. Enter. Easily created 10 feet 2 inch line. 10 feet 2 inch line. Just you input 10 and only created a 10 inch line. 10 inch line. If you input a 10 feet line, easily click, drag 10 feet, 10, single upper comma, hyphen, 2, double upper comma. Enter. Easily created 10 feet 2 inch line. If you change units, enter. Change you decimal. Decimal. Okay. Simply click and enter 10 feet 2.2. Enter. Line is small. Only 10 units, 2 decimal points created a line. If you want, enter the fractional value. Also change you units, change fractional and change fractional value. Easily enter, click, OK. Line command, click, draw line, line size 5 space 5 1/2, 5 1/2, 5.5 unit 5.5, easily input 5 1/2. Okay. Unit, click starting point, drag and input a fractional method. 5 5, just 5 5.5, also fractional method 5 1 divided by 5. Enter. Fractional method 1 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, also enter 3 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5. Fractional method 13 1 divided by 2. Click unit command, change your units decimal. Okay. Also इंसर्शन स्केल, जब भी आप स्केल इंसर्ट करेंगे तो इंच में लेना चाहिए या फीट में, वो हम चॉइस करेंगे. क्लिक फिट. ओके. Click line size. Click and enter. Enter 10 decimal points. Easily enter 10. If you change units, architect, inch, feet. You change meter. Click meter. Okay. Click enter. Line size 10. Also line size is a not change, only unit. Also feet, inch same size, meters same size, not changing the size. Only units input method is a change. Units input method is a change. Okay. Last decimal, inch. By default, decimal or inch set in AutoCAD. Units command. Next information command, distance. Next information command, distance. Enter. Distance of two objects. You measured a distance of two objects. Just distance command. Click. Easily get the output distance 40. Fully information give distance 40. Angle in XY plan 270 angle. You draw the line, measured line 270 angle from XY plan 0 x delta x point 0, delta y 0, and delta y minus 14, delta z is equal to 0. Your coordinate point x, y, and z. Distance of two objects. Easily create one circle, radius 10. Other circle, radius 10. If you want distance of the two objects, easily click distance, type a distance command, type a distance and enter. Enter, click point of the starting, center point, click, and center point, click. Total information display there. 66, angle 0, angle from xy 0, delta x 66, delta y 0, and delta z 0. Okay, coordinate point 66, y, and 2. Okay, distance command. Also, distance, enter, circle, endpoint, this circle endpoint, just click and give the information, distance 46. Distance 46. Okay. Next, distance, enter, this circle bottom point and this circle upper point. Get the information of distance two circles. 69, angle 69, starting point of delta x 66, y 20, delta z is 0, coordinate 66, 20, and delta z coordinate 0. Information command. Distance measured two object distance, angle, distance, enter. Also, you measure the distance, this circle starting point and this circle ending point. Distance 20, angle y plan 90. Also, you draw a line on particular angle. This line size, distance, enter. Simply click first point and second point. Distance 16. Get the information of distance two objects, 2 points, distance measured in distance command. Distance command. Next command, area command. Next command, area command. Area, just draw the line. Simply, line size 20, 10, 20. Click. Create the one rectangle 10 and 20 size. Width and length 10 and 20. This rectangle, area of the rectangle is 200 into 100, 10 and 20. Easily calculate the 200 area of this rectangle. If you measure area, enter, only select a point, click, second point click, third point click, fourth point click, fifth point click, and just right click. Easily get the output. Area is equal to 200, parameter 60, parameter size is 60. Can measure the area of rectangle. Also, you measured one object area. Enter area. Enter. You measured object. You measured object. Simply press D. D. Enter. Measured object area. Enter O. O and enter. Select the object, click and get the information. Area of this circle 314 and circumference 63. Easily get the output of area information. Also, you can draw randomly one drawing. Click. If you find area of this object, click there, area and enter. Area and starting point click, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9 or 10. Right click, end of the point. Easily calculate the area 11,389 and the parameter size 396. Easily get the output. Okay. Area command. Area of one triangle. Area of a triangle. Click area, enter, click first point, click second point, third point and fourth point and right click. Area 95, parameter size 47. Every object you get the area command. First command limit, second command DDP type, third command units, fourth command distance and fifth command area. Sixth command list. Get the all information in one list. One command, list command. Enter and easily select the object you want to information. Easily select object and right click. Get the circle information. Layer 0 space model space handle 191 center point 27 minus 12 z is equal to 0. Coordinate of this circle center. Radius 10, circumference 63 and area 314. 14. All information in one list. All information in one list. Easily set the command list. List command, enter. Also, two objects you selected, click and just click and click. Three objects select and right click. Select object circle, first layer, first circle, second circle, and third line. Line, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Coordinate of line. Information command, list. Also, button, you click list command. Here is the button, list command, button of list command. Just click on list command and click on object. Click on object. Right click, list command. Okay. Information commands. Gathering your object information, drawing information, you can use these commands. Information commands. Information commands also review, repeat. First command DDP type. Second command limits. Third command units. Distance, disk, area, and list. 6 commands, information commands, get the information of objects. Next, some commands, get the point command. Plotting the points, particular this area, multiple points, and click point, click, 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 click. Also, coordinate of points. First point, 10, 10. First point display 10 into 10. Second point 20, 30. Third point 30, 40. Next point 40, 50. Next point 20, 60. Easily, you create a absolute coordinate method drawing. Click first point, click on second point, click third point, click fourth point, and click fifth point. Change pointer. Change point style, DDP type, enter, can click and OK. Change pointer type, only display one single dot. Display one single dot. DDP type. If you want plotting the points, just click point and freely you then click, 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 and click. Easily create one drawing. Click second point, third point, fourth point, sixth point, seventh point. Okay. Point command. Next command, Next command, divide. Next command, divide. Divide one line. Click first point, line size 100. Line size 100. You undo line size 100. 100. Escape. Divide this line. Divide in particular parts. If you want 80 parts of this line, divide in 80 parts. Simply click point and click divide. Divide. Also, you type a divide command and click. Click. Select object to divide. Which object you divide? Select object. Click. Enter the number of segments. How many parts of the divide? Segments 80. Automatically divide in 80 parts of this line. Okay. Already this line is divided. Points set on this line, but points is not display. Point is not display on a line. So simply command run DDP type and enter. Change pointing style and OK. Easily display parts of line. Totally divided 80 parts of line. Okay. So you can use divide command. Create a line size. Click 10. 10 and divide a part of 7. Line. Create segments. Divide 7 parts. Click. Just click. Select object and enter 7. Automatically 7 or single line. Okay. Also, you can create one arc. Arc, single click, click, and third click. Arc. This arc divide in 8 parts. Divide in 8 parts. Also click divide, checked, and enter 8 parts. Enter. Automatically mark same sizes. Equally size divide in one arc. Also, you can divide one object. Circle. Radius 5. Divide circle in 10 parts. Click divide. Simply select object and enter 10. Automatically divide in 10 parts. Okay. Divide every object. Divide in parts. So next command, measure command. Next command is a measure command. Measure command. Just create a one line. Any size of line. You can divide this line in a point every distance 2.5 meter. Plotting a point every 2.5 distance of for every point. Click measure. Click select which object you measured, click specify length of size, segments, click and easily second point or distance 2.5, enter 2.5 line. Every point distance 2.5 easily created one line or one object. Click line size, any line size, free-handed creation, and measure command. Click on measure command, select object, and click first point, click a second point. You can't enter the any value. Just click nearest point, automatically distance created. Automatically equally distance created online. Okay. Measure command. Divide command, measure command. Also you measure one arc. Single click, second click, third click. Create one arc, measured, click measured, single point, click on object and select the starting point and set the distance 2.5 meter, enter. Automatically 2.5 meter distance set on this arc. Okay, last small of 2.5. Okay, one object circle, radius. You measure the distance, select point, starting point this, and measured 2.5, enter. Automatically created 2.5 meter distance points. अगर एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस पे आप पॉइंट करके कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना चाहते हो तो मेजर कमांड, मेजर, क्लिक, select starting point, select and enter the distance of measurement 2.5. Okay, measure command. Next command, SP line, spelling command. Spelling command, free-handed, you can creation free-handed drawing. Free-handed drawing, curved line, just click starting point, click second point, easily move third point, fourth point, fifth point, easily create one line. Easily create one line. Next point. Okay. End of this spelling, right click, enter. Enter करने के बाद यहां आपसे वो पूछ रहा है कि स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट कौन से एंगल में चाहिए. जस्ट क्लिक ऑफ, ऑटोमेटिकली कर्व चेंज हो जाएंगे. चेंज द कर्व, क्लिक. नेक्स्ट एंड पॉइंट हमें कौन से एंगल में चाहिए. जस्ट क्लिक डाउन एंगल, क्लिक. create a one spelling, free-handed curved line. If you want change this line, click select spelling command, easily move points and change the curve. Click, just click on object, automatically snapping. Click. You can change the curve line. Spelling command. Free-handed, you create a command. Next command, cloud. Freely you create clouding, cloud, this line, just click and drag. Easily create one object. Easily create one object. Cloud, click. Next, spelling command, click. Spelling command, click, right click, enter. Click, click. Okay. Same, copy and paste. Right, enter. Easily create one object and also fill this object. Cloud, click, click. Yes. Free-handed, you can create a free-handed drawing, easily cloud and spelling commands to the curves of line. Okay. Cloud and spelling command. Next command, boundary. Boundary command, easily get a boundary of lines and create a other object. Boundary, click, easily create boundary, move. Easily create a one boundary. If you want, click one circle, click other circle, create a boundary, click boundary and choice boundary. This command, click, right click. Boundary command, click, click, boundary command. If you want create boundary also complication designs, click circle 50 and simply circle creation 5 and set array command, polar array, select object, click center point, click number of items 10, 10 preview, 20 preview, and OK. Create this object, boundary command, boundary, click, select the boundary line, pick a point, click, and select a simple center of the pick point, click. Easily created one boundary object. Select this boundary object, click, move. Out of the object, easily created one boundary line. Boundary line. Okay. Boundary. Next, if you want create boundary, select pick point. These points create a boundary. Easily select these items, objects, pick point, and right click. Easily created boundaries. Create a boundary. Okay. Every object, pick a point, created a boundary. Just click second line, third circle, fourth circle, and select boundary, pick, select click on points, easily create a one object, right click. This object, move, create a boundary. This object, move, object, move, move. Okay. Easily create boundary line. Next command, create one rectangle. Every rectangle lines connected also. Divide the individual parts, then click explode. Click explode, easily divide a part. One object divided in part, explode command. Every part is divided. Okay. Explode command. Also, create a one object. Reason command. Click object, select first object, second object, third, and fourth line. Also, create a one object, solid object. Create a solid object. Use a reason command. Use reason command. Okay. Reason command and command. Next, commands. Next command, break a point. One single line, divide in two parts, break a point. Break a point, click, select object, second point of break, click. Automatically divide in two parts. Divide two parts, break command. Next, joining of lines easily. Command join. Click first, second. Easily connect the line. Join the line. Joining command. Break command and join command. Two commands. Break at a point. Single point break. Click break a point. Select this line and click where you break. Click this nearest point. Automatically divide in two parts of line. Okay. Break at point. Break at point. Break point. Okay. Next and last, home command. Table. Insert a table. Single click, insert table, rows and columns. 5 columns, data rows height, and column width, rows width easily, and okay. Create a one table. Table creation. Insert information table. You can easily insert table. Click and data rows 5, column 5, column 2, rows height 1, and okay, and just click. Easily insert one table. You can also edit in this table. Click and write any data. Okay, insert a table. Insert table. Delete. Home menu commands there are completed. Next menu, block and references. You are insert other side of objects in AutoCAD. Use these references. Block, your own block creation inserted, and you insert other blocks. Insert this block and references. Simply insert a block. Choose the name of block. No any block there. Tools command. Properties. One block insertion. Insert block. Easily create block. Okay. Click block. Size 1, 0. Create block and block editor. These commands insert, create, edit. Same commands in this menu. Insert, create, block. Same insert a references other AutoCAD file extension DWG, file extension DWG, reference include DWG file insertion. Simply click DWG and insert other AutoCAD files. You can create an AutoCAD file easily. Insert this file. Click and OK. Okay. Where you can insert? Specify on screen. Click on screen. Size. Specify on screen. Also coordinate 111. Specify on screen. Rectangle. Reference type. Attachment. Overall insertion. You can click overall attachment insertion. Object is not insert just attachment this file. Overall insertion. Okay. Click. Where you insertion, just click this point. Object is insertion. Object inserted. Okay. Object insert. Overall objects are insertion. If you want attachment, just click block and reference DWG file and select flower. Click OK and select attachment. Path, full path, relative path or no path. Okay. Click this point. Attachment object is insertion. Delete. Okay. Object references, other references insertion DWG file. You can easily insert DWF file, DGN file. There are three formats of files. You can save DWF file, DWF file, DGN files. Also, you insert WF file. DWF file not created. DGN files you creation. Insert a DGN file. Also, you insert images. Images. Click image. Select image. Image. Click. Image and easily click on image. Open. Select a path. Fully path. Next, insertion point. Specify on screen. Scale. Specify on screen. Rotation 0, not rotate. Okay. Click. Just here click and easily move this image. Click. Okay. You can insert one image. Insert one image in your drawing. Okay. Image. Next, external references. Other references insertion. Click other references. You can insert references. Display this explore bar. Explore bar references. Easily click and edit this place. You can select this object inserted object, click. This object edit in this place, edit this place, click, and which object you editing? Simply click, 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 which object you editing, click, click, automatically select this object. All objects, okay, all objects, select and edit this object. Click, okay. Object editing mode, edit in this place, okay, forest, and select all objects and edit this object, click, move outside of the object, click, 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 okay. Edit any object. Last, close the edit window, close the edit window, save changes and discard changes. Save changes, okay, save changes, okay. Change the insert object. You can, everything is change, color change, size change, move. Every can you change in this object, edit in this place, edit in this, okay. Object and move object, click, move object and save changes, click, okay. You can create, change this object. Block and references. Block and references. You can insert other sides of references and images, other format files, AutoCAD files, insertion in your drawing. Insertion in your drawing. Next command, notation. Notation, text formatting, insert a text, liner, already in home menu. Notation, table, leader, and next tools, distance command, list command, area command, and next view command. View command, change your display. Change your display mode. View command, simply click to vertical view. Click display your view in two vertical size. Next, horizontally view two horizontally views. Display two horizontally views. One view, top view, one view, 3D perspective view. Perspective display, 3 right, 3 right, 2 display left hand side, 1 front view, 1 top view, 1 perspective view. Change also display equally 4 equally 4 display change. This first front view, perspective view, perspective view, perspective view. 3 perspective view and 1 4 left. Click. 4 left view, top view, perspective view, left view, right view. You also can change these views. These views you can create in a top view. Object creation in a top view. Top view, home menu, simply create one rectangle. Click. Click in top view. Display in perspective view and left view. Left view. Change your view. Change your view. View command. View command and change view. Can single view. Single. Also new view. Click on new view. New view or left view selection and change 2D or 3D. This 3D isometric 2D 3D view. This side 3D isometric view change in 3D hidden. Okay. Change view. View name ICA. Set your view. Set your view. Okay. Easily perspective view. Create a circle. Click. Easily display in perspective view. So you can change your view and draw your drawings. Single view. Change your view in a single. Single view change. Click single view. Next command. Let's already inbuilt drawings. Build drawing inserted in your drawing. Easily create and drag. Tree, emperor. Click and drag. Click and drag and edit this object. Tree, enter. And properties, set drawing properties. Set drawing properties. Property, click drawing property. Okay. property command. If you can create a one drawing and set information 100 or 200, 200, 100 and 200. Plan size of 100 and 200. If you give linear command, click and display size of this line, and the print line size is display but very small, change this property, just click and change this dialog box. Text, click text height, text offset, text position, change text properties. I can insert, you can insert for you easily. Text properties change 200. Also you can information object and change text property. 5. Change property. Information command or text property settings in this dialog box. Also you change 3D visualization, general, layer color, you change layer type, layer line type, click change line type, plotting style, line weight, also change line weight, also line style, line type change. Line type, you can change this dotted line, information line, dotted line change here by layer continuous, by block, by layer floor. Add the line other, load and dotted line. ISO dash line, okay. Line type change AC. ISO line change. Okay. Line type change. Also select a line, general information change, geometrical information change. आप कौन सा भी इंफॉर्मेशन यहां से चेंज कर सकते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी जैसे चाहिए वैसे आप यहां से सेट कर सकते हैं, या फिर लिनियर कमांड की प्रॉपर्टी भी कर सकते हैं. टेक्स्ट एरो चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, एरो सेट कर सकते हैं. मिसलेनियस इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, मिसलेनियस इंफॉर्मेशन भी वहां सेट कर सकते हैं. जब भी इसका आप प्रिंट निकालेंगे तो प्रिंट में टेक्स्ट बड़ा दिखाने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, ये प्रॉपर्टीज यूज कर सकते हैं. यूनिट्स चेंज करना है तो यूनिट्स भी यहां से चेंज करके दिखा सकते हैं. अगर हमने यूनिट्स लेते हुए मीटर में लिया है, यहां चेंज करना है डेसिमल निकाल के हमें आर्किटेक्चरल देना है, तो आर्किटेक्चरल हम वहां दे सकते हैं 8 फीट 4 इंच. 8 फीट 4 इंच लाइन का साइज ऑटोमेटिक चेंज हो जाएगा. 8 फीट 4 इंच. यूनिट्स अल्टरनेटिव यूनिट, प्राइमरी यूनिट, अल्टरनेटिव यूनिट वो भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। इस तरह से ऑब्जेक्ट जो भी आपने सिलेक्ट किया है उसकी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करने के लिए प्रॉपर्टी डायलॉग बॉक्स, प्रॉपर्टी can also sheet manager, click sheet manager, managing the sheets. Next, windows, manage multiple windows of this AutoCAD. Status bar show or hide. Status bar, object snap command showing off or snap off automatically of this command on the status bar. On click, automatically appear on the status bar. Which command show on the status bar? Just click or hide on the status bar, click on or off on status bar. Status bar, drawing status bar, every drawing display the status bar, automatically display the status bar. Drawing status bar, hide drawing status bar, click. Okay. Text window, command window, just you can show the command window and write your commands. Line command, L, enter, create one line. Okay. Display list command, line command, every command. सेकेंड लाइन आप यहां से चॉइस कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकेंड पॉइंट, थर्ड पॉइंट, कमांड विंडो शो और हाइड करने के लिए कमांड विंडो। नेक्स्ट, लास्ट आउटपुट very important. Output on paper, output in one particular document, output only preview, output published your document, publish on web. You can choice first command, plotting on plotter, just click plot. This dialog box appear, printing dialog box, plotting dialog box. First, already selected measurements or your setups, I'll import or add your setup one. Okay. Next, printer, choice a printer, choose in this dialog combo box, select plotter. I can select DWG to PDF, export PDF, just click PDF creator. Next, paper size, select A3 size, click on A3 size, click horizontally or vertically, 450 or 297 mm. Next, plotting area, just click and display जो स्क्रीन पे अभी दिख रहा है पूरा वो प्रिंट करना है तो डिस्प्ले ऑन द स्क्रीन, साइज एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्प्ले ऑन द स्क्रीन, प्रिंट डिस्प्ले. Next, limits, you set up a limit 100 or 200, just this area is printed, select a limit. Also you will choose a window click and choice. Click and choice and preview. Preview this like. Okay. Print. Print. Print command or plot command. Plot command. Plot command. If you create a one line, single line, click line size 100. Line size 100. अगर हमने साइज उसका 100 है तो प्रिंटिंग में इसका साइज कितना आएगा? 100 मीटर, 100 फीट, 100 यूनिट या फिर 100 सेंटीमीटर, 100 मिलीमीटर, mm. यूनिट्स, हमने यहाँ यूनिट्स तो ले लिया 100. अभी प्रिंटिंग प्लॉट चॉइस प्रिंटर, DWG PDF प्रिंटर, select paper size, paper size into 18. Sheet. Click and display. Choice window. Printing. Okay. Preview. Display the line. Display line. After printing, you are measured a line length on the paper. Correct line size 100 mm or 100 inch or 100 feet. 100 mm or 100 feet. You can choose a unit of convert in feet or inch. अगर यहां आपने 100 यूनिट लिया है तो यूनिट हमें प्रिंटिंग में इंच में चाहिए या रैंडमली चाहिए या पेपर में फिट करना है. यहां नीचे चॉइस दिया है प्लॉट ऑफसेट. प्लॉटिंग कहां से स्टार्ट करना है? एक्स एक्सेस, वाई एक्सेस 0 से, वाई एक्सेस 0 से. यहां से स्टार्ट करो. स्टार्टिंग अ पॉइंट, कोऑर्डिनेट 0 x axis, 0 y axis. Also, you can select center the plot. Every drawing print in the center, just click and preview. Preview line printing in paper of paper. In the okay. Center. Next, fit to paper. Fit to paper. अगर आपने ये लाइन पेपर पे फिट किया है तो ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट करके लेगा, वो पेपर में फिट कर देगा. लेकिन जब यह प्रिंट, तो जब मेजर करेंगे पेपर पे लाइन तो इसका यूनिट 100 mm, 100 फिर 100 सेंटीमीटर या फिर 100 इंच या फिर 100 मिलीमीटर कितना होना चाहिए, ये हम ये चॉइस कर लेते हैं. इसके लिए फिट पर निकाल देंगे. एडजस्ट स्क्रीन साइज, फिट टू पेपर, रिमूव. क्लिक ऑन फिट टू पेपर and scaling scaling 1:1. 1 ratio choice of 1:1, click रेशो 1:1. यहां का 1 यूनिट, प्रिंटिंग का भी हमें कितना चाहिए, 1 यूनिट ही चाहिए. प्रीव्यू, display line out of the paper. Also 110, 1 unit, converter 10 unit. Preview, continue. ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिंटिंग साइज कम हो गई. हमें रैंडमली यहां जो दिया है वो ना चूज करके हमें यहां लिखना है 1 इंच और 10 यूनिट्स. यहां के 10 यूनिट्स यहां 1 इंच में प्रिंट हो जाएंगे. ऑल्सो 1 यूनिट 1 इंच, 1 यूनिट 1 इंच. अगर आपने यहां 1 यूनिट लिया है, 1 इंच प्रिंट हुआ है, तो यहां 100 यूनिट है तो प्रिंटिंग में 100 इंच प्रिंट होगा. प्रिंटिंग में 100 इंच प्रिंट होगा. प्रीव्यू, उतना बड़ा पेपर भी नहीं होगा, बाहर जाएगा वो. 1 इंच 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 1 mm, तो छोटा हो जाएगा, साइज छोटी हो जाएगी. यहां का 1 mm लेना है. जब भी हम मेजर करेंगे तो 100 mm दिखाई देंगे. 1 mm is equal to 1. प्रीव्यू, लाइन प्रिंटिंग सिंपल, छोटा हो जाएगा लाइन. सेंटर निकाल के प्रीव्यू, यहाँ also 0, x एक्सेस y एक्सेस प्रीव्यू. यहाँ लाइन हमें बॉटम कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट हो रही है. लाइन साइज 100 है. जब भी आप उसका मेजर करेंगे, बाहर पेपर पे मेजर करेंगे टेप से, तो ये 100 mm का होगा. हमें 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 10 mm. 10 लाइन का साइज बढ़ जाएगा. 1 यूनिट वहां 1000 mm आ जाएंगे. 1 यूनिट 10 सेंटीमीटर. प्रीव्यू, ओके, लाइन साइज बढ़ गई, पेपर से बाहर चला गया. इस तरह से ऐसे हम क्या करेंगे, यहां यूनिट्स प्रिंटिंग में हमें कितना चाहिए वो वहां लिख सकते हैं. 1 यूनिट 1 mm, यहां हमने रख दिया 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 1 mm. ओके, और प्रीव्यू, लास्ट प्रिंट ड्राइंग 1 मॉडल 1 से. ओके, प्रिंटिंग में आप देखेंगे 1 यूनिट 1 यूनिट is equal to 1 mm. 1 यूनिट is equal to 1 mm. हमारे ड्राइंग में जो भी हमने यूनिट लिया है 1 यूनिट 1 mm में प्रिंट हो, या फिर ऑल्सो प्रिंटिंग 1 यूनिट is equal to 10 mm. 10 mm. Also 1 unit is equal to 1 inch. 1 unit is equal to 1 unit is equal to 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay. 1 unit is equal to 10 इंच. इस तरह से हम प्रिंट कर सकते हैं, या फिर इससे अलग ऐसे भी प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. आउटपुट प्लॉट. Select your printer, G to PDF. Next, choose paper size and select window. Easily drag you want to print. Click and fit to inch. हम 10 यूनिट 1 इंच में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. प्रीव्यू, कंटिन्यू. 10 यूनिट इन कन्वर्ट 1 इंच. ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिंटिंग साइज छोटी हो जाएगी. 10 यूनिट 1 mm, उससे भी छोटा करना है. 10 यूनिट हमें 1 mm में या मीटर में दिखाना है. 1 यूनिट 10 यूनिट 10. Easily preview. Automatically drawing size small and printing size correctly print. Okay. 10 unit 100 mm. Okay, preview. थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा लाइन का साइज. 1000 mm ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं. यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट आपने जो भी ड्राइंग में लिया है वही प्रिंटिंग में हमें लेना है. क्लिक कन्वर्टर यूनिट. फर्स्ट 10 unit is equal to 1 mm. 10 unit is equal to 10 mm या फिर 10 unit is equal to 1 inch. 100 या फिर 10 unit is equal to 10 inch. Okay. Units of measurement आपने ड्राइंग बनाते हुए 1 यूनिट लिया है. प्रिंटिंग में कितना यूनिट चाहिए, mm में चाहिए या फिर इंच में चाहिए, वो प्रिंटिंग देने के लिए हम यहाँ चॉइस करते हैं. Okay. Choice any one units of measurement. Output print. Select the printer. The paper size 1722 and the printing area. Click window and select this area. Click. Okay. Click remove and select 10 unit 10 mm. Also simply click this button, automatically appear this dialog box. First, drawing orientation, portrait, vertically drawing और choice a vertically drawing and a horizontal drawing, portrait and landscape. Printing upside down, change a printing this side. Printing starting a upper corner, change down corner. Printing start in down, change plot upside to down. Change top right corner to bottom, print, change this printing style. Okay. Also, you can select a printing style table, fill pattern, fill grayscale, screening, grayscale, click, automatically printer, print in grayscale, black and white. And printing style also display, shadow plot, आपने जो भी ड्राइंग बनाना है जैसे दिख रहा है वैसे प्रिंट करना है, या फिर वायर फ्रेम, प्रिंटिंग इन वायर फ्रेम मेथड, वायर फ्रेम स्टाइल, हिडन स्टाइल, 3D wire frame. You can select a viewport option, printing style, plot in background. You can insert a background, click this, automatically plot this backgrounds, plot a stamp on, click every printing, click and stamp, click, okay, stamp and save changes to layout. लेआउट में जो भी आपने चेंज किया है वो चेंज करने के लिए लेआउट प्रीव्यू, चेंज layout, printing start upper right corner and this information of these drawings. Okay, click and the printing method, print to, save. Okay, printing, next option, preview, you can click preview, print preview display, printing area change, DWG, send the printing window, change printing area, just click and preview, plotting style, save, plot without plotting style, okay, save, yes, preview printing, set you printing in this style, automatically this appear, preview, publish drawing, DWF file or plotter, publish this printing in a plotter, not a printer, choice a plotter name and select a printing model or layout, printing model layout, and yes, easily publish the model, automatically go to on internet and publish. Publish on web, published on internet, is click and follow these steps and publish your drawing, your object. Export export, change your format, file format, export DWFX 3D DWFX format, save bitmap, आपका जो भी ड्राइंग बनाना है, फोटो में करना है या फिर ब्लॉक बनाना है, ब्लॉक DWG, DGN फाइल, इमेज BMP image, click and save. Drawing 1 created a BMP image. Okay. Okay. Export layout model. Export layout model. अभी यहां हमने जितने भी ड्राइंग यहां हमें क्विक व्यू में दिखाई देंगे. क्विक व्यू फर्स्ट हम जो भी ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं मॉडल में बना रहे हैं, हमें लेआउट चेंज करना है तो लेआउट 1 और लेआउट 2 में चेंज कर सकते हैं. जस्ट क्लिक लेआउट 1, ऑटोमेटिकली you create a drawing in layout 1. Layout 1, just click and delete. Click and create your drawing here. Just change select a model layout equal left 4 and go to layout, insert a layout ICA and click OK. Easily layout in this area. Click. Okay. All layouts inserted in this object. Layout, export a layout. जो भी आपने ये लेआउट बनाया है ये मॉडल में हमें चाहिए. अगर यहां कुछ भी हम चेंज करते हैं तो वो मॉडल में चेंज होना चाहिए तो एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं हम. एक्सपोर्ट मॉडल ड्राइंग लेआउट 1 सेव. प्रिंट इन मॉडल. प्रिंट प्रिंट इन मॉडल. क्लिक मॉडल, change layout single, you print layout, click and print this object. Click. अगर आप लेआउट बना के लेआउट प्रिंट कर सकते हैं या फिर आपने जो भी मॉडल बनाया है वो मॉडल प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. मॉडल क्लिक और लेआउट प्रिंट करना है तो लेआउट प्रिंट. ओके. ऑटोकैड आज यहां अगर सर
Sir. Yes, sir. You have completed AutoCAD now?
ಹಾ
Okay.
ಏನ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರ
ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ದಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದಾರು,
ಹಾ
ಅವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ರ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Okay. So dear participants, today he has completed some of the icons which are related to AutoCAD, and mostly I think we are completing AutoCAD. So next we will move towards 3D Max and other aspects. So we'll keep another 20 minutes for discussion. Another 15 to 20 minutes is there. Some of you have already sent questions to Prashant through WhatsApp. So he will explain about the queries. And if you have more questions, you can also ask today's class or yesterday's class or previous class. So now it is open for discussion. Sir, ಈಗ ನಿನ್ನಿದ questions ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Okay.
Yesterday's question, sir.
Yesterday question. Close. File, new, AutoCAD open. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था कि हमने यहां से लाइन क्लिक एंड मेजरमेंट 100 एंटर। लाइन स्क्रीन के बाहर जा रहा है, एस्केप करेंगे तो लाइन दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा था? लाइन आउट ऑफ द स्क्रीन, नॉट डिस्प्ले इन वन सिंगल स्क्रीन। तो ये स्क्रीन में नहीं दिख रहा है, तो इजीली जूम एंड आउट click automatically adjust the screen and scrolling a scroll bar, simply scrolling a scroll bar, zoom out and scrolling the scroll bar. If your measurement window or your measurement object not display in the screen, easily click screen out, zoom button, screen out, and display your fully object in one window. Okay.
Some of the participants, they are asking to tell in English. So the question was, when you draw a line of 100 units, it is going out of the screen. So how to see in the monitor, they were asking. So in the zoom out, by help of the scrolling in the mouse, you can reduce the size of that particular screen and it will be displayed. That is zoom in and zoom out. That option is there in the mouse itself. By scrolling, you can do it. Okay, thank you. Next, sir. Any questions you can ask now? Participants. If there are no more questions, he will explain about yesterday's questions, I think. Sir, ಈಗ next question ಏನಿತ್ತು?
ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು, ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೇ.
Okay.
Line, create one line, other line you creation in the middle of the line. Click on middle, automatically connect the end point. Line, connect the end point. You can't create a middle of line. You can't create a middle of line, automatically connected the end of the line. So this problem, snap object, right click, settings, select all, then okay, and simply click on line button and easily display center point, midpoint, and click create a one object. Okay.
The same will be explained in English. Say, for example, you have created one single line. You want to start a midpoint. In that, it is not displayed. You have to right click it and go to setting, and it will show the midpoint. Exactly when you move the cursor, it will show the midpoint. There you can click and draw the line. That is the explanation. Okay, next. Participants, you can ask today's class any difficulties. So many things you have learned today.
Okay. Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yesterday you gave us assignment. In the last assignment, there was some type of showing of measurements, right?
Okay.
Likewise, x-axis and y-axis. So how to show that measurement? x4, 5. That y.
Okay.
That type.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ನಿನ್ನೆದ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. And that was last one.
Simply, this in absolute coordinate method. Absolute coordinate method. Absolute coordinate method. Click a line command. Line command. Line command and the 2,2. First coordinate 2,2. 2,2. Enter. And second coordinate automatically move 2,2. Second coordinate easily write 8, everyone 8, 0. 8, 0. At 8, 0 line size 8, 0. Eight, 0 of the dynamic input method and simply click and add 8, 0. Type 8, 0 and enter. Next 4, 4. Add 4, 4. Enter. Also undo input -4, 4. -4, 4. Input command at -4, 4. Enter. Last close the line. C. Enter. Automatically create one rectangle, triangle. Okay.
Okay.
First, you off dynamic input method in status bar. Then you simply select in command line, press L, enter 2, 2, enter. Then at 8, 0, then at -4, enter. Last, press just C, close. Automatically create a triangle. Every object create in absolute coordinate method. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear? Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
next,
Yeah, sure.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Then
Thanks.
any more questions from other participants? No more questions? Participants, please. If you have no more questions, today also we'll give one more assignment.
Sir, can you send us the shortcuts of AutoCAD in WhatsApp chat?
Pardon?
Shortcuts of AutoCAD, what are sir are telling us commands.
Shortcuts, sir.
Yes, sir, shortcuts.
Okay.
Keys PDF ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Okay.
We will make a shortcuts PDF and we're going to send to uploaded in the WhatsApp. Okay.
We'll send a PDF file.
PDF file of
Shortcut keys.
Already sent in a Word file. Link.
Yeah, some are available in the Word file.
Already you sent the links for the course material, no?
Short keys there are available.
Yes.
Yeah, still once again we'll send it. No problem.
No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, ನಾಳೆ assignment ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ sir.
Tomorrow's today's assignment, let them solve today and tomorrow let them come back.
And everything is available in YouTube also. You can watch.
Yeah.
And you can practice. And if you have some more questions, you can post tomorrow also.
Yes.
I think any more suggestions also for our better improvement.
Welcome.
Today's class, any whether some people they are told fast, slow like that. Is it okay? Okay. If you have any suggestions also, you can send through email. Okay. I hope today's session was okay, good. I hope most of you have understood and you have to practice it. Otherwise, it will not learn. So today I request all of you should practice today's class, and you can watch the video in YouTube. It is available. We have already sent the link, and you please practice. With this, I think we'll close the today's session, and sharply tomorrow we'll meet at 2:45. Okay, 2:30 onwards you can log in, and we will continue tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you one and all.